Welcome to Badanamu Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to make a card for Mom and Dad. All you need is a piece of craft paper, scissors, glue, tape, and a glue gun. Before we get started, we need to find a few hearts. Let's go find the hearts together. Hi, Abby. Abby is eating a delicious strawberry. Did you find the heart? That's right. The heart was Abby's strawberry. Oh, there's another one? The butterfly? Aha! The butterfly's wings are shaped like a heart. Thanks, Abby. Hi, Bada. I see that Bada is eating some yummy ice cream. And you've already spotted the hearts. That's right. The hearts are on Bada's ice cream. Oh, there's another one. Ding, 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 you got it. Bada is holding a heart-shaped balloon. Thanks, Bada. This time, it's our cutie pie, Matt. Hi, Matt. Matt is wearing some cool sunglasses. Look, the sunglasses are also heart-shaped. I wonder, where's the other heart? This one is a bit tricky, but did you find the heart? Look, the heart is on Matt's paw. Thanks, Matt. Yay! Thanks to you, our Badanamu friends, we found all the hearts. Thank you all so much. If you go to badanamu.com, you can download our cute Bada and all of these hearts. Shall we start off with coloring? You can choose any color for the hearts. The last two hearts are the leaves, so color them using a different color. Let's color in the long rectangle too. Now, let's cut out all the colored pieces. Snip, snip with our scissors. And now we are ready to make a flower bouquet. It's super easy. First, we're going to glue the yellow hearts around Bada's head, like a four-leafed clover. Then, glue the long rectangle behind Bada to create the stem. Next, let's glue the rest of the green heart-shaped leaves to the stem to finish the flower. Now, let's move on to making the bouquet for the flower. Fold the craft paper like an accordion. Now, tape around the bottom, like this. Then, glue the back of the flower with a glue gun and glue it onto the bouquet. Don't forget to ask for help when using a hot glue gun. Yay! We did it! We made a beautiful bouquet! Did you have fun today? I know I did! We'll be back with more arts and crafts, so come visit us again! We hope you have an amazing Mother's Day! See you next time!